Today we continue our discussion on integer data type. Our outline for today's lecture would be to study modifiers such as short, long, signed, unsigned, and some programming examples. Long and short. These are the modifiers used to make it possible for a data type to take either less or more memory. If suppose size of integer is of 4 bytes in your computer, then using short in front of integer makes it of 2 bytes. For example, in my computer, size of short integer is of 2 bytes. As you can see, the output is 2. On the other hand, using long as a modifier in front of integer allows integer data type to take more memory space. Here you can see size of long integer is of 8 bytes. Note, it is not guaranteed that the short takes lesser memory than the integer and long takes more memory than an integer. The only thing which is guaranteed is that size of short is less than equals to size of integer, and it is less than equals to size of long. As I already told you in the previous lecture that integers can have signed range and unsigned range. Typically signed range is from -32768 to +32767, and the unsigned range is from 0 to 65,535 for 2 bytes integer, and for 4 bytes this would be the range. This is because in reality most of the times, along with the positive values, there is a need of representing negative values as well. For example, when you are performing subtraction of 49 with 50, you will get -1 as the answer. For representing these negative values in computer, you have different representations, and one of the widely used representation is 2's complement representation. Range of negative numbers come from this representation only. Apart from this, that there is one more important point that we need to note. When you are declaring integer some variable name, then it is by default a signed integer variable. By putting unsigned modifier in front of integer, it allows only positive values to be assigned to it. Let's see what happens when we are trying to use these modifiers in front of integer data type. I'm going to provide 4 programming examples that will print the range of integers when we apply different modifiers in front of integer data type. And here is the first example. First of all, I have included a new header file, limits.h. This header file consists of some symbolic constants that are useful in determining the minimum as well as the maximum values of any data type according to the system. In this example, I have used symbolic constant int min and assigned it to variable 1. This symbolic constant gives me the minimum value of signed integer according to my system. And similarly, int max is assigned to variable 2, and this will give me the maximum value of signed integer. Here in this example, we are trying to print the range of signed integer. Writing int or signed int, both are one and the same thing, as I already told you, because by default integer is signed integer in our systems. In my system, the size of integer is of 4 bytes, therefore range of signed integer is from -214748368 to +214748367. In the second example, we are trying to print the range of unsigned integer. Here symbolic constant maximum value of unsigned integer is u int max. Also, there is no symbolic constant available in limits.h header file for minimum value of unsigned integer, because minimum value is fixed for all systems, and that is 0. And there is one more important thing to note. Here to print the value of an unsigned integer, we have to use %u here instead of %d, as %d is to print decimal value, but %u is used to print unsigned decimal value. Now as we can see, the output is range of unsigned integer is from 0 to 4294967295. As for the 4 byte or 32 bits unsigned integer, maximum value is 2 raised to the power 32 minus 1, which is 4294967295. In the third example, we want to print the range of short signed integer. Symbolic constants for getting the minimum as well as the maximum values of short signed integer is shrt min and shrt max respectively. Because of this short keyword, integer data type takes 2 bytes instead of 4 bytes. Therefore, range would be from -32768 to +32767. And finally, in example number 4, we are using USHRT max for getting the maximum value of unsigned short integer. And as expected, the range is from 0 to 65,535. Note, you can also write unsigned short instead of short unsigned here. The order doesn't matter. You can also check the range of long integers by replacing the keyword short with long. And in printf, instead of using %d, you can use %ld for long signed integer, and instead of %u, you have to use %lu. There is one more thing called long integer. It simply means if suppose long integer is of 4 bytes, then long integer would be of 8 bytes. Else, if long integer is of 8 bytes, then long integer would be of 8 bytes only. Because the maximum limit is up to 8 bytes, you can say. Let's try to summarize the information that whatever we had learned up till now. Size of short is less than equals to size of integer and is less than equals to size of long. Writing signed int some variable name is equivalent to writing int some variable name. %d is used to print signed integer. %u is used to print unsigned integer. %ld used to print long integer, which is actually equivalent to signed long integer. %lu is used to print unsigned long integer. %lld is used to print long integer. %llu is used to print unsigned long integer. Okay friends, this is it for now. See you in the next lecture.